نحمده ونصلي ونسلم على رسوله الكريم. قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم: إن الشيطان يجري من الإنسان مجرى الدم، وفي رواية آخر: إن الشيطان يجري من ابن آدم مجرى الدم، أو كما قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم. رواه البخاري. Imam Bukhari mentions this hadith in his book, that Prophet, peace be upon him, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said Allah has given the shaitan ability to run in a human being's body like blood flows in a person's body. This is the power Allah has given to shaitan. Inshallah, we will talk about these things in details further on. Jinn in actual fact is something that is hidden from a naked eye. And the meaning of jinn literally is something that is hidden from a naked eye. And it has 70 meanings. Allama Suhaili also mentions that jinn is also name of malaika. Malaika are also called jinn because they are hidden from naked eye. This is also what the people of Jahiliyyah believe, that the angels are jinn or from jinnat. If you take in literal meaning, then you can call the malaika jinn. But if you take it as a creature, then they're both different creations of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As angels, you know that they do not commit any mistakes or sin. They follow as they're commanded from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Whereas jinnat, we know numerous stories and ahadith of jinnat, especially about the Iblis himself, when Allah commanded the angels, فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إِبْلِيسِ. Allah mentions in the Quran that the angels, they bowed down to Adam alayhi salam when Allah commanded them to do sajda to Adam, but the Iblis rejected. Now here, some people get confused that Iblis is from the angels. Iblis was not from the angels. They say that Iblis done so much ibadat so that it started staying with the angels. This is why when Allah commanded the angels to do sajda, the angels did sajda and Iblis did not do sajda and he rejected. Inshallah, we'll talk about Iblis in future. Here I'm just talking about the word jinn. Now the word jinn, also there's a word used, al-jinnah in Arabic, which is used for shield. A shield that is used in order to hide behind it and save yourself and protect yourself from the weapons, from a sword or from an arrow that is thrown at you. Now, likewise, al-jinan in Arabic is also from this word, which means a child in mother's womb, because it's hidden from a naked eye. Similarly, there Allama Abu Amir Zahid writes that there is a type of jinn which is called hin, with ha, al-hin. He says that al-hin is the dog of jinnat. The dogs of jinnat are called al-hin. Some ulama have written that al-hin is actually a type of jinn. We'll be talking about the types of jinnat in future anyway, inshallah. Similarly, Abul Jan is the father of jinn, and the plural of this is jinan. And Arabs would call white snake or an insane camel al-jan as well, because of the wickedness in these things. Allah also mentions in the Quran, طَلْعُهَا كَأَنَّهُ رُؤُوسُ الشَّيَاطِينَ. Allah talks about the fruit zaqqum, which is a fruit that will be given to prisoners in Jahannam. People who will be in Jahannam, they will be given this fruit. And this fruit, Allah gives the tashbih of this fruit, that this fruit looks like the head of Shaitan because of its wickedness. So when something has wickedness, you call it Shaitan. Similarly, Allama Jawhari writes that someone who's from the mankind, human being, insan, or from the jinnat or from an animal, if he is rebellious, then he is Shaitan. And if he is further on, if he is disobedient, Shaitan, he is also from the jinnat. Similarly, most of the wicked and rebellious shaitans, all of them are the friends of devil, the Iblis, and they help him in carrying out all these missions, and they also are friends with him, friends with Iblis. Ahl Arab, the people of Arab, also called snake Shaitan as well, because of the wickedness. So anything that has a wickedness, we even in our daily speeches sometimes call certain things or certain people Shaitan. Oh, so and so is Shaitan, because he has this wickedness in him. Because of the wickedness, we link him with Shaitan, and Shaitan himself is a type of jinn. Wallahu a'lam. Inshallah, in the upcoming video, I will be talking about Iblis, what was the name of Iblis, why he's called Iblis.